making this video to explain how to create a Repl.it account. So first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go to Repl.it right there on top. Boom. Check that button. Get into Repl.it. Now you got to log into this. So you got to sign up. Now I'm going to hit sign up right here. I'm going to start with a brand new account. The reason we're using Repl.it is because it's going to be easier for you to share stuff with me and to collaborate with others. Better than Trinket, because Trinket wasn't saving for me. But maybe it does, I don't know. So go to sign up. Now for most of you, you're going to just do this G for Gmail. Oh well, I'm just going to use my personal email. I'll just sign up. Username. We're just going to go, I'm going to call myself Repl.it. Wait, I don't do underscores. And then email. Just do my personal one. You guys, you can sign in with Gmail itself if you want to. And then I'm going to say my password. I'll have to create a password. Okay. Here's my password. Okay. There. Save it. Sure. So this is brand new, right? So I want to show you what you do. You can go. There's a lot. Okay, don't be scared. We're going to create a new thing in here. So I want you to go to this I don't know what it's called. Repls. Repls. I want you to click in here. And then this is going to be where all your stuff is. Now, maybe you make a folder in here. Maybe it's more organized. So I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to call it CSP. And then the current year, which is 2020, 2021. You can all need, and then here's this. Now, I'm going to put all my new stuff in this folder. So let's say I'm doing the current assignment 111. Oh, 116. I'm going to go new REPL. You can go click up here. Now, the language, this is important. Pay attention. PYGAME. Not Python. There's a million Pythons. I want PYGAME. And then I name it. So I'm going to name it, since this is for 116, and it's for the turtle. I'm going to just call it turtle. So name it like that. That means you know what section's for. No, it's not creating the turtle. It's creating the ladybug. Let's do ladybug or spider. It's public. I don't care. Create REPL. Done. So now I've created this program. So this kind of looks, okay, cool. I can share it with people. So it kind of looks familiar. You have your code area here. You have this. You know, make this big screen right here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. I've opened up 116 in 116. And let's say I want to go down to that ladybug code, which was step blah, 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 32. All right, I'm going to copy all this code. And go Control-C. And then go back to Repls. Oh, you couldn't see that. Okay, so hold on. Sorry. Display capture. I hope. Oh, geez. I don't want to do that display. 2. Okay, hold on. No edits. No edits. We're just doing it once. All right. Let's say you wanted to copy code. So what are you going to do? You should really go watch that. Social Dilemma. Blows your mind. I'm going to go to this. And I'm going to go to this one step. I'm in 116 right now. So 116, scrolling all the way to the top. And then down to 116, I'm going to copy that ladybug code. Step 32. Highlight it all. You can hit Control-C. All right? Now I'm going to go back to this one. And I'm going to right-click and go, I'm going to Control-V, paste. Oh, that was one of the problems. There was like no undo button in here. That's one of like the scary parts about this. Okay, so now it's all in here. We hit run. I couldn't find undo button. So then, hey, look, you run. It does exactly what it did in Trinket, right? And then this is the Ladybug code. So you've got to fix the code. Oh, a few things in here. Oh, this is kind of formatted weird. Oh, no, it didn't. Well, it's kind of nice to do this line to tell you, oh, this is all in the while loop. It even lets you do this collapsing thing right here. So if you want to like hide some of your code for a while, it's kind of neat. Nice stuff to do. And this was the thing where you had to fix the code. So y and num dots. If you don't remember. So I can stop and run it again. And here we go. Now, other part to this. Okay, so let's say you want to share it. You're like, hey, Mr. Brophy, I need some help. My code don't work. Go to share. And you go invite by email. And you go, or what you can do is you can just email me this link and I can join your code and look at it. Or you can go, oh, send an email to Mr. Brophy. And then you send it to him, right? And then, oh, you're going to let him edit? Sweet. And then Mr. Brophy is going to go. Mr. Brophy logs in. He's like, I'm going to log into my Repl.it on Gmail. See if it worked. I hope it doesn't reveal my password. Password 123 if you want to know. And then I go to my account and I go, oh, I got a notification. Oh, okay, Kevin shared that. Didn't I just invite someone? Oh, I heard these take too long. Kevin just told me that. Well, I'm sharing his name. So Brophy goes, oh wait, no. I have too many screens open with OBS. Okay, so I gotta go, dude. Just give me this link, it's way faster. So copy and paste that link right there to an email to me. Okay, allow notifications, I don't care. And notice, I am now in my code, my other account is. So each one, like I can open up this in Firefox and I can change this color to, I don't know, purple. And this will change to purple. So let's see that work in real time again. Blue. Look at that, it's pretty quick, huh? That's cool. And like if I stop and run it here, it's gonna stop and run it in both. Oh, that's kind of nice. So it's a way to collaborate. And it's a way to save your code. All right. So now let's say I want to come back to this later. Let's say, okay, I come back the next day. Here I am, Brophy Repl.it again. Oh, where's my stuff? Oh, I have to verify it? Okay, I'll do that later. I go to my Repl.it, CSP, and I go, oh, it's saved there. Perfect. So please do this at home. That's how you get to Repl.it. You can share it. You can add files. Make sure, as a reminder, if you create a new one, so you're like, oh, I gotta make a new one. Go to my Repl.it. New one. Go new Repl.it or whatever, and make sure it's PYGAME. And I can make this 116 spider. Sure. So do that. I guess the only thing that's kind of lame is you can't just share the whole folder with me. Like it'd be nice if you could just do like, and just like share everything with me. I don't know. We don't have school accounts. We're not going to pay for that. Take care.